going on, everybody? Here we are back in the shop. We got the E46 and then we got the first generation Integra. This is the car that we'll be working on. I bought this car off Craigslist for $1,000. It runs, it drives, it's a 5-speed manual. It's got the B18, it's a coupe, it's got the GSR wheels. That's pretty much it. There's really nothing wrong with this car other than the fact that it needs paint, and I'm a body guy, so that's what I do. This is where I come in. First step to getting a car repaired is identifying all the damage and dents. This side was pretty banged up. Can't really see, but maybe if I put the light on it, yeah, now you can see all the damage. There's one right there in that corner. Let's see, this side is pretty bad. Look at all that. All them dings and dents. Got a little bit of rust right there. No big deal. You know, it's not something we can't take care of. This is the tail. Actually, this is the tail that I'll be using. I don't even know what it's off of. I just found it laying in our yard and it fits. So, hey, we're gonna roll with it. Free tail, free spoiler. Just saved us $100. There's a ding on the hood right there. Not too bad. Let's check out this side. Okay. One there. One right there. A couple of little dings right there. Not bad. Overall, this car is really not bad. Okay, so now that I pretty much showed you guys where all the dents are, I'm gonna take a blue highlighter. I'd recommend a black Sharpie. I couldn't find one, so this will work just fine. But I'm gonna run around the car, circle all the dents, and just prepare for sanding with the 80 grit and then the Bondo. Best way to do this: take a flashlight and hit your car at an angle, and it'll cast a shadow over all the dents, and you can easily identify them. As you can see, I highlighted a lot of the dents. Now I know what to sand and where to spread the Bondo. It's not really looking too bad, but then again, it is looking like Swiss cheese. Those are all dents, dents. More dents right there. More right there, right there. Trunk was actually pretty good. Same with the right there. Okay, so now I'm going to take a sheet of 80 grit. I'm going to go around and I'm going to prep all the surfaces for Bondo. So now I've prepped all the surfaces. They're ready for Bondo. I'm going to mix them up, spread it, let it dry, and then I'll show you where to go from there. Okay, so this is what I'll be using. My spread pad spreader, 3M Bondo hardener, 80 grit, and my favorite, the DuraBlock. We'll use those to smooth the surface out. Alright. So I went ahead and covered all the dents with Bondo. It's going to take about 15-20 minutes before I can do any sanding. So I'm going to run O'Reilly's really quick and replace the that pink crappy bulb that somebody decided to put in. somebody thought it was cool to replace the bright white light with a pink light, where it's red, but it looks pink. I didn't notice that somehow, but I went over to O'Reilly's and got these replacement, just a regular bright white, and let's see what it looks like. That's looking a lot better, a lot cleaner. That looks so much better. Back to the original. Nice, smooth color. Okay, so I'm going to take some 80 grit on a Durablock, and I'm going to run it across all the Bondo, smooth it out, and then we'll lay another coat of Bondo. You always want to hit it in an X pattern. Left, right, left, right. Sanded down all the Bondo spots. Now it's time for blocking, but first I'll have to seal it with some primer. Okay, so I went ahead and sealed up the Bondo spots with primer. As you can tell, I didn't seal the entire car. This is just a quick flip, so we're trying to show you guys how to do this the quickest and cheapest way possible, and you'll still get the same results.